Hey folks, welcome back to my new video. So today in this video we are going to cover if and else and elif functions and everything we are going to see about the basics and everything we are going to see in this video. So if you are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe for the more videos guys. Let's see about the functions. So in the previous video we have shown about the plus, minus, div, mult, and we have shown. Now in this video we are going to see about the if, else and elif functions. Okay, now first of all I will tell you that what we are going to see in this video. So we are going to create a mini project as it will tell us, okay, if your age is below 18, as it will print you as the minor. Okay, if your age is between 18 to 60, 18 to 60, then it will print you as adult. If your age is above 60, then it will print you as a senior. Okay, this we are going to create in this video with the help of the VS Code. Let's move to our VS Code screen. Okay, so before that we are going to create a variable in which I will give a name as age. Okay, in which we have to store our integer means numbers, and we have to write these things, and we are taking an input of the integer. Okay, and here we will give a message as type your age here and colon and space. Okay, cool. Now we have completed our variable. Now we are going to use our if or elif and else function. First of all I will show you about the if function. Okay, now we are going to create a if function. Okay, we have to write if. So the condition is that if our age is below 19, then it has to show us minor. Okay, if our age, so we have to write age in the bracket as if age which is greater than or equals to 18. Okay, then it has to give us print minor. Okay, then here we have to give a compulsory colon and enter, and here we have to write print. What we have to print here? You are minor. Okay, let's see. Okay, here it has given the prompt as type your age here. Let's type our age here under 18. Okay, 12. Okay, it is showing that you are minor. If we type above 18, so we have not written here condition, so it will see what gives us. So it will gives nothing. Okay, now we will create another conditions. Okay, so we are going to use our elif condition. So after if, we are going to use the elif function, as we are going to tell if, after if elif age which is greater than 18. Okay, elif age is greater than 18, then means colon print. What we have to print here? We have to print here as you are adult. Okay, you are adult. Okay, now after that our third condition is that if your age is above 60, then print that you are senior. Okay, let's do. After that, while we are ending the function, compulsory we have to write with the else. Okay, if we have the another functions like if your age is above 45, then we have to use the elif function, but finally after last we have to use the else function. Else, and here age which is greater than 60, then print you are senior. Okay, cool. Now we have completed with the successfully. So what it's showing us, just a second, I will fix it. Now we are going to see about the else function. So this both conditions are false, then this condition will become true, as simply we have to write here else and colon, and simply we have to write here print. What we have to print? That you are senior. So this is the right. Okay, now we will run our query with this successfully. So finally we have corrected that, this one. Okay, so this is our mini project. Let's see and run it. And if we talk about my age is about under 18, then it will show us that you are minor. And if we talk about my age is about 25, so it will give us you are adult. And if we run again, and if we talk about my age is about 19, then it will give us senior. That in this video we have shown that about if, else and elif functions. So if you are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe for the more videos guys. Let's see you in the next video.